Photoredox catalysis has emerged over the past decade as one of the most efficient methods to promote radical processes. It is indeed especially easy to implement, user-friendly, highly sustainable, and also it does not rely on the use of toxic or hazardous reagents that are usually used in radical chemistry. The main principle of photoredox catalysis is fairly simple since, as you can tell by the name, it is based on the use of a light-responsive compound called the photoredox catalyst that can be easily activated by irradiation with visible light in order to initiate the catalytic cycle. Among all photoredox catalysts that have been reported and utilized to date, most of them are actually based on ruthenium and iridium complexes, which pose a rather strong limitation due to their high prices. As a consequence, the development of alternative photoredox catalysts that are based on cheaper and non-noble metals, such as copper, is therefore highly important not only for the development of less expensive systems, but also for new applications. This was our main motivation when we started the synthesis and the development of this new copper-based photoredox catalyst, whose synthesis is presented in this video together with synthetic applications.
In addition to their role for chemical synthesis, copper-based catalysts could also play a role in photocatalysis, for instance, in water reduction or carbon dioxide reduction, which is very important for clean energy production and storage, and also for depollution.
The procedures will be demonstrated by two PhD students from my lab, Ms. Hajar Baguia and Mr. Jérôme Beaudelot.
To begin, add 10 millimoles of tetrachis acetonitrile copper 1 hexafluorophosphate and 10 millimoles of DPEPhos to a 2-liter round-bottom flask equipped with a